Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? It is a mercy of Allah that He keeps us safe and sound, and now it is your main duty to keep yourself busy in study. Within short time, you are to appear at the examination. So, in this moment, you should be very much serious. This is Kamul Hassan, teacher Mosher Branch. Welcome to you all in my class. And today, answer of a career question will be discussed, and it will be from chapter 5. And the question says that, you must be attentive in my class, and the question says that a rectangular object with a mass of 200 gram has an area and height of 24 centimeter square and 3 centimeter. And when this object is submerged in a liquid or gaseous matter, especially this body is submerged in a kerosene, and in kerosene the weight of the object is 1.4 Newton, and it is given that density of the object of kerosene is 800 kg per meter cube, and hence you have to find out the density of the element of the object in question C, and side by side in question D mathematically analyze that the given stem follows Archimedes' law. And now by turn I will try to solve the question. At first, find out the density of the element of the object, and here it is given that at first we should write the informations given on the board, that is mass of the object. It is given that question number C, mass of the object, let me write in bigger shape. It is given that mass of the object M equal to 200 gram. This will be converted into kg, and it will be 200 into 10 to the minus 3 kg. So we have to find out the density of the element. So to find out it, we should write the information, and at first mass of the object, it is 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Then area of the object, area of the rectangular object, A equal to 24 centimeter square. This should be converted into meter square, and it will be 24 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square. And side by side, the height of the object is height of the rectangular object is equal to 3 centimeter. It gives 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. This is the information, and also it is given that the density of kerosene is 800 kg per meter cube, and from this information we are to find out the density of the element of object. We know that density of object from the definition of rho density, it is written as rho equal to m by v. So from this equation we have to find out the density of the object. So come back, and from this equation what we see here, it is given m by v, but m, it is clear, that is 200 gram, and it is 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. Now v, we should find out the v from that equation. V will be v equal to a s. You know that area into height we get volume. So area, it is 24 into 10 to the power minus 4. Then height, it is 3 centimeter, that is 3 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. meter. So we get volume equal to, by calculating this number, we get volume A equal to V equal to 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter cube. Okay. Now we can write the density, we can find out the density of the body. Now rho equal to m by v. Then here m equal to 200 gram, that is 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg divided by v, it is 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 5. After calculating this number, we get rho equal to 2777 minus dot 78 kg per meter cube. So m by v, m equal to 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg and v equal to 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter cube, and calculating this, we get rho equal to 2777.78 kg per meter cube. So this is the density of the object, density of the element of the object. Now let us come back to the another question. Question number D. You have to prove that this system follows Archimedes' law, and at first we should know what is Archimedes' law. What does it give? You know that according to Archimedes' law, if an object is submerged in a liquid or gaseous matter, it seems to have lost a bit of weight. So this lost weight is equal to the amount of water that is dispersed by the object. So let us now solve question number D. And here from question number C, we get that its area, height and weight it in kerosene. Now we have to find out mathematically about the Archimedes' law, and we should find out the mass. It is given that mass of the object m समान 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So from this mass we can find out the weight of the mass in air. So the weight of the rectangular object, weight of the rectangular object in air, W equal to mg, that is m 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg into g 9.8. So it gives you the weight of object in air is 1.96 Newton, and side by side you can see that the weight of object in kerosene. We can write it on the board once again, and it is given that weight of object in kerosene is, what is given here? It is 1.4 Newton, is 1.4 Newton. So dear students, from this information you can write that we get the weight of object in kerosene 1.4 Newton, and side by side we also got the weight of object in air is 1.96 Newton. So what we get from these two weights? We get, that is the lost weight. Weight in air and weight in object. So from these two weights we get the weight of lost weight. So lost weight equal to 1.96 minus what will write? 1.96, it is in air, and from this weight we deduct the weight in kerosene, that is 1.4 Newton. It gives you that it is 0.56 Newton. So according to Archimedes law, the lost weight will be equal to the weight of the liquid that is displaced by the object. So now we can show that this lost weight is equal to the weight of the liquid which is removed by the object. So now the weight of the water, now we can find out the weight of water that is displaced by the object. So weight of amount of liquid which is replaced by object is V is rho g. So let me write the value of the symbol V. Volume of the object, it is 7.2 equal to 7.2 into 10 to the power minus 5 equal to this B rho g, that is B rho g 7.2 V rho g. In kerosene it is 800 into 9.8 and by calculating this we get that is it will be 0.56 Newton. So just as is clearly observed that the lost weight of the body is equal to the weight of water displaced by the liquid, the same 0.56 and 0.56. So it gives you the idea that this term follows the Archimedes law. So here we now come back to solution another question. So dear students, come to another K2 question. Let me draw it on the board. Suppose there is a jar. Please look at the board. There is a jar here. Look at the board, the jar, and water is there. Water is there. If you place a cylinder inside the jar, place a cylinder inside the jar. This is PQRS. Let me write it clearly. Let us place a cylinder inside the jar. This is the PQ surface, RS surface, and the depth of the jar from upper portion to the lower portion of the cylinder is 1.5 meter. This is the 1.5 meter, and the length of the jar is 1 meter. So, here you have to ask to find out the downward force. You have to find out the downward force by the liquid on the upper surface of the cylinder So, you can calculate this in this way. Upper force F equal to A H rho G A, and here the area of upper surface PQ equal to 1.5 meter square. So, you can write the A 1.5 into H as it is. You have to find out the downward force from upper surface from the downward force on the upper surface of the PQ area, that is from this portion to this portion, and it will be 1.5 minus 1, that is 0.5 meter, 0.5, and you know the density of water is 100 kg and 9.8, and you will find out the downward force by the liquid on the upper surface of PQ cylinder. So, dear students, in this way we can find out the solution of inequality question. I hope that you can catch the answer and discussion, and I hope that you will learn it at home. Allah Hafiz.